The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 250SX. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 250SX, a lightweight adventure machine built for riders who want big bike style, daily usability, and true touring capability in a compact package. A compact adventure upgrade. The 2026 V-Strom 250SX arrives with refined aerodynamics, improved bodywork, and a more aggressive adventure stance. Suzuki keeps the bike light and manageable while enhancing the rugged appeal that the V-Strom lineup is known for. Smooth and efficient power. This model uses an upgraded 250 cubic centimeters engine tuned for stronger mid-range torque and better fuel efficiency. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring rural backroads, the bike delivers predictable power, responsive acceleration, and smooth gear changes. Built for real-world riding. With a comfortable upright position, wide handlebars, and long travel suspension, the V-Strom 250SX handles rough streets, gravel tracks, and mild off-road trails with ease. Suzuki improves suspension damping for 2026, giving riders more stability and confidence across uneven terrain. Adventure essentials included. The bike features a modern digital dash, LED lighting, and pre-fitted mounts for luggage accessories. Its efficient fuel consumption and generous tank size allow longer journeys without constant refueling. Riders get adventure flexibility without the weight and bulk of larger machines. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 250SX offers a balanced blend of practicality, comfort, and adventurability. It's perfect for new riders, commuters, and anyone who wants a reliable small-displacement adventure bike that can handle daily duties and weekend escapes.